One service we provide is garage door repair work. Regardless of what is wrong with your garage door, we are able to emerge and check it out. We'll then provide you with a price quote and you could make a decision on whether you need it fixed or not. Our recommendation is that you obtain garage door issues looked after as soon as possible just to ensure they don't go downhill as time goes on. In the event you don't undertake issues without delay, they become worse and that means they cost more to solve down the road. We wish you to definitely be happy so that we do our best to produce which happen at AAI Garage Door Replacement Wheaton. Deal with us as well as your garage door will be great and work nicely.